Hidden deep in Michigan's Upper Peninsula lies one of the most peaceful wilderness areas in the Midwest, the Porcupine Mountains. Stretching along the shores of Lake Superior, this remote landscape is filled with ancient forests, quiet trails, and endless views. Welcome back to my channel, where together we explore the wild places, cabin life, the hidden creatures, and the stories that make the great outdoors come alive. Some of these trees have stood for hundreds of years, creating one of the largest remaining old-growth forests in the region. Hidden among the hills are quiet waterfalls and winding rivers that flow gently toward Lake Superior. From high overlooks, visitors are rewarded with sweeping views of Lake Superior, stretching endlessly to the horizon. In the early morning, fog moves quietly through the trees, turning the forest into a living painting. Here, time slows down, and nature reminds us how powerful quiet can be.